All right, we're gonna do a tutorial here on how to connect your ESP32 to AWS. So, first thing I'm gonna do is connect our device. Download the Arduino IDE software. So, we have Arduino core, the Hornbill library. So, we download that and believe we had it here. So, you're gonna want to extract that. Examples: Arduino ESP32, AWS IoT. You're going to want to copy this into your C users, and it'll say either administrator or your name, and documents, Arduino libraries, and then you want to put that in here, paste that into libraries, and I already have that in there. For this, we want to go to AWS IoT core. Then we want to go to security policies, new policy. So we're going to create a policy. And we want to name this ESP32 policy. You want to allow, choose an action, do 4 different actions. So you want publish, policy resource, you can just put star, add a new statement. Then we want connect, star. Then we want subscribe, star. Then we want receive. And then we create. All right, so then after we create our policy, we will create a thing. So we go create single thing, name that ESP32. Next, auto generate. Then we have our policy here. So we want to attach that policy, create thing. Then we want to download the certificate, the private key. It won't let you continue unless you download the public key file, but you don't need that. But just make sure you save the device certificate and private key somewhere for later. So now what we're going to want to do is go to C, users, administrator, go to documents, Arduino, libraries. Then we want to go into AWS IoT. We want to go into SRC. Then we want to go into AWS IoT certificates.c. I also have Notepad++ downloaded. I don't think it's necessary, but it's a little bit easier. So now we're going to take that key that we made, or the certificate that we found, certificate, open that in here. That's a new tab. So I'm just going to copy everything between the begin and end certificate. Don't know if that matters, but you want that to go under certificate. So we will paste that in. Then you'll need to append each line by using /n/. Then you're going to want to do that for the private key. And append each line. And to get the root, we will go to this web page right here. Grab this certificate. And now we'll go in the AWS root CA. And we will save that. Then from here, we will put the Arduino code in the ESP32. So click here to download the Arduino code, which I already have. So we will run this here, pull up our Arduino IDE. It'll ask if we want to create this folder. We say okay. What we want to do is go to Tools, Board, pick your module. I have a rover module, but you might have a dev module. Depends on what board you have. Make sure it's in the correct COM. To check that, you can go to File Explorer, go to this PC, hit Manage. You can go to Device Manager. Under Ports, you should see your device and the serial port. Mine's COM5. Once we do that, it says to change your upload speed to 11.5200. Then in the code here, you're going to want to put in your SSID for your Wi-Fi, your password, and then the AWS server. So for this, you're going to go back to your AWS IoT, go to settings. Your data endpoint should be right here. So MQTT clients use this. Yes. Copy, go back to here, and you're going to want to paste that in. Now, once that's done, you probably want the serial monitor up, which is under Tools, Serial Monitor. So we'll put that up, and then we will hit Upload. Connecting, writing. And this will take a second till it gets to 100%, then that'll complete. Then we're going to want to view our serial monitor. I can check here, connecting to Wi-Fi. Looks like it's connected to AWS, publish message, and we're seeing our message. So you might get a few errors, but we are getting readings. We are connected to AWS. So then what we want to do is go to AWS again, IoT Core, MQTT test client. And then we want to subscribe to a topic. So we want to do ESP32 DH11, subscribe. And now we're getting the temperature readings